Blockchain is a new computer technology model. It includes distribution, data storage, peer-to-peer, cryptography, and so on. This is a decentralization database as the foundation support of Bitcoin. Each block includes one Bitcoin transaction information. Blockchain is original from Bitcoin. These two technologies work together can do a lot of tasks. The most basic usage is transfer money between different parties. But the more important thing is it can transfer without anyone overseeing it. The cost of using Bitcoin is very small. People only need to pay for withdrawing money. This can happen or relies on cryptocurrency. In the financial world, the applications are more obvious and the revolutionary changes are more pending. Blockchains will change the way stock exchange work, loans are bonded, and insurance contracted. They will eliminate bank account and all service offered by bank. Once the advantages of a safe ledger without transaction fee is widely understood and implemented, almost every financial institution will go bankrupt or be forced to change fundamentally. There are three principal technologies that combined to create a blockchain. The first one is private key cryptography. The second one is a distributed network with a shared ledger. And the third one is an incentive to service the network's transactions, record keeping, and security. The main idea of cryptography key is to create a security digital identity reference. It can create a very useful digital signature. The transaction data structure usually consists of some logical transfer from value, relevant rule, source, and destination address, and other validation information. The necessity of using distributed network is to separate risk in different places. A larger size of the network, the more security of using Bitcoin. The transaction is spread by using the flood protocol called gossip protocol to peer that validated the transaction based on preset criteria. Usually more than one node are required to verify the transaction. Once the transaction is validated, it is included in the block, which is then uploaded onto the network. At this point, the transaction is considered confirmed. The new created block now becomes part of the ledger, and the next block links itself cryptographically back to this block. This link is a hash pointer. At this stage, the transaction gets its second confirmation and the block gets the first confirmation. Then the transaction can be reconfirmed every time a new block is created. Usually 6 confirmations in the network are required to consider the transaction final. There are several ways to make sure the blockchain technology accounts are security. First, the new blocks are always added to the end of the blockchain. It is also very difficult to go back and alert the contents in the block. If a hacker wants to hack in account for money transfer, as soon as the hacker changes the money amount, the block's hash will change. The next block will still contain the old hash. The hacker needs to change all blocks in the blockchain. It is a huge work and impossible to change every block.